आता उपकार मागतलो आमचो जो आमकां सोडून गेला बाब रायलन ताचो काजन बाब एडन आमचे मदें उलयतलो. सुडालकारांची आणि आम सगळ्या एकठांयांची काळजां तुमचे मदें आनी तुमचे पासत आसतली. निमणे सुवातेर उपकार मागतलो आमचो गांवचो MLA कॅप्टन वेन्सी जे अपघात घडला तो कित्या पासत आनी कितें आमी मागता गव्हर्मेंटा लागीं वो ऑथॉरिटीजां लागीं. उपकार मागतलो आमचो बरो देखणार बाब सांतोलीन रॉड्रिगीस मातशें येवन आपली 2 उतरां दिवची. सांतोलीन रॉड्रिगीस.
I think it is a great loss for the community as well as all of us gathered here. कित्याक आमचे मदें आमगेलो एक भुरगो जावं तो नायलेचो पूण तो आज भायर पडला. आय थिंक वी आर मोर्निंग एट द सेम टायम एज वी ऑल मोर्न. कुड दीस बी अवॉयडेड? आय थिंक येस, हें अवॉयड करूंक जातालें. आज हो आमगे भाव रायलन भायर पडला. हेज्या मुखार आय होप देर आर नो मोर डेथ्स एट दीस जंक्शन. बट डू वी हॅव टू बी डू देर हॅव टू बी डेथ्स? कोण मोरो जायो बिकॉज ऑफ PWD's faulty designs, PWD not completing jobs on time, PWD not listening to even MLAs, not listening to locals? Why are we inviting this? I call upon the Chief Engineer, Bob Allen of the PWD. Since the PWD portfolio is with the Chief Minister, ताका व्हडलेच टायम घडये मेळना दिसता म्हाका. But at least Allen, we request you to look into these things. These are things that have been addressed to your department several times. I am sure the locals have informed, the Panchayat has informed, our office has been following up with your engineers when this road was being done. And this is the result. This death is the result of your department not listening to everyone and doing what you all want. A similar situation you all have created at Benaulim opposite Markadu. A death trap. तुमगे जो कलवट आहा तिंगाय तो design faulty जाल्लो आहा. You all are making all arrangements now to prove and to save whoever engineers were there, saying that that culvert is now correct and you all want to do a ramp. Another faulty design by you all. I have requested you all to stop that work. I have put letters across to everybody right up to the Chief Secretary. We are trying our best that you demolish that. You all are trying your best to protect your engineer. Same way how you all are protecting your faulty designs over here. Kenna देखून हे continue जातली? At whose cost? Do you want your family to die here? And then only you will realize departmentan कोण मरो जाय तुमकां? आम तेच नाका न्हू. So I think I call upon this department to understand whenever we speak something, whenever we request something, it is for the common man cause. आज वो भुरगो ना जाला. वो भुरगो ना जाला. Should we call it a crime? त्या भुरग्या PWD माल मुडपा जाता? Who looks at these angles? Nobody looks at these angles. If at all these things were put in place, rumblers were put in place, proper dividers were put in place, proper signages were put in place, proper illumination was put in place, along with the contractor when the work was done, जाल्यार आज हें गरज नासली पावपाक. As a MLA with a big heart, I am present here today. In one way, I would like to express that I am sorry for this death, because I take it as I was unable to ensure that these rumblers are not put. Although these guys are not listening. Today we are struggling at the Markado there. Still they are not listening. We had struggled in the assembly for the western bypass. Still nobody listened. So I fail to understand also Sarkara, why are we actually electing people when representatives are showing concern, trying to present to you, forecasting what could happen. Failure after failure, design failure of the underpass. I won't even call it an underpass. It is a seasonal underpass because it is open only for a particular season. 6 to 7 months open though. आनी तो आसतोनाय आतां रेल्वे गेट बंद करपाक हे सगळे प्रयत्न करीत आहा एकाय लेटर बरोवन घायल्लो सो वॉट इज द पॉयंट यू ऑल आर हॅविंग अ पंचायत जरी तरी आहा जाल्यार पंचायतीक आयकपा जाय पंचायतीन लेटर बरयलें म्हणटकीर यू हॅव टू टेक कन्सर्न्स टुडे सो मेनी पीपल आर हियर वी कॅन ओनली प्रे फॉर द बॉय आय थिंक हीज फादर इज ऑन द शिप रायट इज सेलिंग तारवट्यागे भुरगो ते पायक आयज भुरगो ना जालो वॉट ही मस्ट बी सफरींग हांव एक तारवटी बट ती रास्तो एसो जालो म्हणटरी सांगो कितली कुस्तार जाता I feel ashamed of myself to speak here in front of people today. Because a failure after failure angele with things on. And I think PWD needs to understand to strengthen up their base to make sure that their engineers are trained and they close up this job. As we end up this evening, I would like to thank Seraulim Speaks for having this a small demonstration as we prayed for the soul of Rylan, and I can only assure with a heavy heart that we will ensure that there is illumination here put up. We will force them, we will follow up with that speed breaker rumblers what are there. We will get the department here next week and see whatever we can do possible to make this area safe as fast as possible. Also we'll talk to the Chief Minister because this death has happened because of negligence of the government, negligence of the PWD department. However, we cannot bring back the boy, but if something can be done to support the family from the PWD account side so that they can at least get some comfort, although I feel that is not going to help them. And saying this, a call to the Chief Engineer again. This is one area which has already caused a death. Please cancel the project that is going on at Marcado. तो कलवट आहा तो आम डिसमेंटल करया तो रोड लेवलाची हाडया कोणा एकमेका साल्वा करपा ना म्हूण जॉबा वयर काडपा मुगे इंटेंशन ना बट द होल थिंग इज इफ देर इज समथींग गॉन रॉंग लेट अस नॉट ट्राय टू हायड इट आउट एंड क्रिएट अनदर एक्सिडेंटल झोन हे सांगून सगळ्यांक देव बरो करूं म्हणटा सगळे सिस्टरी
सांग जावन येता आमी एक दुखीन आनी कोंतीन आयज ह्या जाग्यार एकटवल्यान तोंडाक उतरां येनात सांगपाक की आमकां गोमले म्हणून आमचो एक भाव एक तरणाटो बाब रायलन ह्या ज्या जाग्यार आमी उबी आसात 10 मेत्रां फुडें ताचो अपघात जालो एक एक्सिडेंट जालो आनीक आमकां जेन्ना काल कळ्ळें अशें जालां म्हणून तर आमी तेजे फाटीक लागले कितें जालां काज जालां आनी आमी चिंतलें की ह्या जाग्यार येवन आयज थोडीशी वाती पेटोवन दोन मागणी म्हणून दोन उतरां तुमकां सांगपाक एक्सिडेंट इज एन एक्सिडेंट दॅट्स नॉट एन एक्सक्यूज बट थोडे फावटी कितें आसता आमी गोवोरमेंटाक जायते फावटी सांगतात रस्ते सारके कोर मेक इट प्रॉपरली डिजायन इंजिनियरींग फॉल्ट आसात ते आनी हेंच काम आमी ह्या गांवच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी मेळून केलां हातूंत हांव आसा म्हजे दुसरे सांगाती आसात आमचो एक ग्रूप आसा सेरावली स्पीक्स म्हणून तर काल जेन्ना आमी ह्या ग्रुपाचेर ही चळवळ चालू केली तेन्ना आयज हो परिणाम आमकां दिसलो सगळे हांगा एकठांय जावन म्हाका जायते सांगपाचें कांयच ना पूण एकूच सांगता दूख भोगता आयज पळोवन दिसान दीस एक दिसाक जरी न्यूज पेपर उगडीत जाल्यार वाचूंक मेळटा हांगा हो मेलो तो मेलो अशें तशें तशें हें कित्याक जायत आमी थोडे फावटी म्हणटा हांव ड्रायव्हींग सारकें ना भुरग्यांक गाडी दिली आनी कितें जालें तें पूण रोड इंजिनियरींग हें आमचें एक हाजो हिस्सा आसा जें सारकें ना पूण तें कितेंय जावं ताचे रायलाच्या आवय बापायक तो भुरगो उणें ताचे फॅमिलीक तो भुरगो उणें आनीक आमकां आनीक कांयच उलोवपाचें ना फकत आमी दुखीन आनी कोंतीन ह्या जाग्यार उबी रावन आयज मागता दुनिया देवा लागीं की रायलनाक ताच्या स्वर्गाराज्यांत एक आंश भोव कसो दवर म्हणून आमी सुरालकाराच्या नांवान आनी हिंगा सगळे एकटोल्यात ताच्या नांवान ताचे फॅमिलीक आमी आमची दूख पुरवटा ताजे फॅमिलीक. मे गॉड गिव देम द स्ट्रेंथ टू बेर दीस लॉस. आनी एक विनंती आसा तुमकां सगळ्यांक फामील आसा, भुरगीं आसा आनी स्पेशली भुरग्यांक सांगता, बाबा मातशे रस्त्याचेर सिग्नलान चलयात. थिंक दॅट यू आर द बेस्ट ड्रायव्हर. ऑलवेज थिंक दॅट the one who is opposite you or beside you is always a donkey. So keep that in mind, drive safely and keep your life safe. Dear very good.
Lord, whatever I say, give me the power of the Spirit. My dear friends, if I can speak something here today, the first thought is about sorry. The first thought is about sadness. We feel sad. We've lost a very dear one. And probably many of us, all of us, have come here to pay homage to him. There are many who would try and tell us how he passed away. But if I can say something from a very different point of view, I would say that whenever our government does something against its own laws and against the people, such things happen. I belong to the Road Safety and Traffic Management Committee of the village. I think when we were studying the underpass that came here, amka gomon aile that this was totally 100% not feasible, yet it was passed. The central government had certain guidelines about the height, about the groundwater flooding, about the roads joining here and that side. There were strict regulations, none of which were followed. And what is the result? When the government does not do, when it goes against its own safeguards, does not care for the people, then of course such things happen. And today if we have come here, it is because we would like the government to know that we are well aware of all the rules and regulations. This was never possible as a bypass, yet they built it here. And what is the result? We cannot use it about 4 to 5 months a year because of the flooding. There is no height. Heavy vehicles during the flood cannot pass underneath. The laws, the guidelines that were given for joining and annexing the roads here have not been followed. You can see for yourself the confusion here. So what is the solution? We have two solutions which I would like to propose. One solution is quickly and fast put up a short-term solution to protect the people who travel here in and out. But that's only a short term. The long term is to find another way for the traffic from that side to come this side. The underground pass or the underpass will never work. So we have to throw it out and knock it out. Dangerous and not to be used 5 to 6 months a year. Yeah. So we would have to find another way, and there are sufficient funds for all this. Okay? So,
बिकॉज एक एक्सिडेंट अपसोयक घडोवन एक टोर्नाटो आमकां उणें जालो हे कोणाचे फॅमिलीक घडपाक शकता कित्याक फाल्यां आयज हे प्रॉब्लम आमी सोल्युशन मागता हांगा आमी लास्ट कितलेच फावटी हे ग्रामसभाक हे टॉपीक वयर काडला आनी आमी आतां म्हज्या हातीन आसा एक नोटिफिकेशन इश्यूड बाय द कलेक्टर इन ऑगस्ट 21 ऑगस्ट 2023 फॉर रामलन्स बट हे रामलन्स हांगा अजून दिसूंक येना हांगा हे अजून पावूंक ना कोणाचे चुकला वा कित्याक येवंक ना तें आमकां खबर ना बट नोटिफिकेशनाचेर आसा ते हांगा घालचे म्हणून हांगा काल जाला ते भाशेन थंयच्यान एक ट्रक तो आतां आमचो रोड बेतलवाती मुंगूल आसा तो नेरो आसा आनी हो ऑलमोस्ट 4 लेनाचो आसा हो रोड वचून ते रोडाक टच जाता देर इज ऑलरेडी सफिशियंट ट्रॅफिक ऑन दॅट रोड एंड नाव दीस ट्रॅफिक इज ऑल्सो गोज दीस ट्रॅफिक ऑल्सो गोज ऑन दॅट रोड सो हे आतां कोलवा बेनावली वार्का हे सगळे ट्रॅफिक हे वाटेन डायवर्ट जाला आनी हे सबवे घेवन ते हायवेक वयता सो हांगा ट्रॅफिक भरपूर इन्क्रीज जाला बट ते कॉर्नराक पयले जाल्यार तिका कोण भितर काडटा कोण भायर सोन येवचे वाटेन भितरल्यानूच येता आनी तिका असो एक अपसोयक जाला सो आमी मागताले हे सगळे हांगा सोल्युशन मागता फ्रॉम सेरावलीम पीपल ऑफ सेरावलीम आस्किंग अ सोल्युशन फॉर दीस प्रॉब्लम हियर हे स्ट्रीट लायट पर्यंत एक हांगा पडोंक ना आनी आमी आयकलां ते भाशेन हो रोड कमिशनूय जावंक ना म्हणून हो जावंक ना जाल्यार हो बंद करचो कित्याक हांगा असले अपसोयक जावन आमकां आमचो आनीक असले अपसोयक जावपाक शकता आनी लोक मरपाक शकता सो आमी गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मागूंक सोदता हे तुमी ओरिजिनल प्लॅन तुमी कितें हे डिसायड केल्ले तर तुमी एक्झिक्यूट करचो आनी हांगा हे पळय सोल्युशन पळय तेंचें कितें जाल्यार आसतलें तें इनकम्प्लीट आसा हें दिसता इनकम्प्लीट आसा हांगा हे तुमी कंप्लीट करचें आनी आमचे लोकांक एक सेफ्टी दिवची देव बरें करूं
Firstly, I would like to thank everyone for showing up today. It's been over 2 days now, and I have been with the family. I've been to the hospital. I've seen him, and I cannot explain how difficult a loss it is for our family. He was always around. I saw him one day prior to this happening, and he even told me that day is like he wants to go to play. And he was always ready to go to play. He was always ready for just to do anything, and we don't have that around anymore. The day I got the call to go to the hospital, I prayed all the way along that it wasn't true. I prayed that he would be around. I don't know how this happened, and I don't know how to explain it. The whole family is still in denial, and we don't want it to be true. I wish it was just one big dream that I just am ready to wake up from, but it's not. He's not with us anymore, and it's a part of our life going ahead. And I do not wish for this to happen to anyone out there, whether it is a teenager, whether it is an adult, whether it is someone who is senior. I do not wish for these things to happen. I pray that these things may never happen. We have all gathered here today for that one specific reason, so that these things are avoided in the future. And I thank all of you people. I thank everyone gathered here today from the bottom of my heart for coming out, for showing support, because we have seen how difficult it is. When you need people, people are not always around. But you all came today. Whether you all are from Saralam, whether you all are his near and loved ones, whether you all have met him just one time, whoever you all are, I thank all of you. Thank you so much.
उसवाडाच्या उसवाडातून तुझोच उसवाड म्हाका दाखोय वाचुऱ्याच्या सांगात्यातून बापा सुरशी म्हाका पावोय जिविताच्या जिवितातून तुझे जिवीत म्हाका लाभोय उसवाडाच्या उसवाडातून तुझोच उसवाड म्हाका दाखोय वाचुऱ्याच्या सांगा तूं बापा सोर्शी म्हाका पावूय. बापाची आनी पुताची आनी पवित्र आत्म्याची नांवी आमेन.